Well, how do you make it sound like you? Do you know how you sound? Or how do you tell a computer how you sound? Well, ask it. My favorite thing. So I have, let me see if I can have where it is. Oh, here's the prompt. So all I wrote in here is, I'm trying to customize Outlook and Copilot to sound more like me. That's my goal. I want less like AI. Context, search all my previous sent emails and tell me the writing style analysis I should use to customize Copilot and tell me how to implement it. I don't know exactly where to go for all those settings across the board. Great use. Well, what it said, my core trait, I'm high compression, I have low filter, I'm directive but non-confrontational. This is welcome to me. And now it says, I rarely over-explain. Here's my formula. It gives me all this context. And it says, okay, add this to Copilot's writing style instructions. Write my emails in my style. Be concise, start with alignment, framing, no fluff, no long intros. Like, this is who it is. I use short closings. Ta-da, I now have it. So you can take this context and I can copy and paste it. You'll notice it goes into these sections, so it's easy to copy and paste. And I can copy and paste this, and I can move that right into my custom settings and preferences.